Now let's talk about Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. So the hypotenuse of a right triangle is opposite the 90-degree angle. So C is the hypotenuse. A and B are the two other sides of the right triangle. So the formula of the Pythagorean theorem is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Now, let's have this example number 1. So let us solve the unknown. So the unknown for this triangle is the hypotenuse. So suppose this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. Take note that the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, and that is always opposite the 90-degree angle. And the A and B are the two other sides. So the formula, so the Pythagorean theorem's formula is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So we have now C squared is equal to A squared is 5 plus B is 12. Now C squared is equal to 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. Now let us raise both sides of the equation by 1/2 or by the square root. Cancel this. So we have C is equal to 25 plus 144 is 169. Now the square root of 169 is 13. So the hypotenuse, this side, the unknown side of this right triangle is equal to 13. Now let's solve this example number 2. Let us find the unknown side of the triangle. So suppose again this is our A, this is our B, and the C is always opposite the 90-degree angle, that is the hypotenuse. Now again, the formula is equal to C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. Now this time A is unknown. So A is unknown. So the C is 7. So this is 7 squared is equal to A squared plus the B is 4. So this is 4 squared. Now let us transpose 4 on the other side. So this is now 7 squared minus 4 squared is equal to A squared. Now 7 squared is 49 minus 4 squared is 16. This is equal to A squared. 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. This is equal to A squared. Now raise both sides of the equation by 1/2 or by the square root. Cancel this. So A is equal to square root of 33. Or this is approximately 5.74. So A, the other side of the right triangle, is equal to square root of 33 or 5.74. Now let's solve this example number 3. The formula again is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Now suppose this is our A, this is our B, and this is the C. So take note that the C is always opposite the 90-degree angle, that is the hypotenuse. So C is equal to 15, so this is 15 squared, equals to A is 9, so this is 9 squared, plus B squared. So B is unknown. Now transpose na on the other side, we have 15 squared minus 9 squared is equal to B squared. Now 15 squared is equal to 225 minus 9 squared is 81 equals to B squared. Now 225 minus 81 is equal to 144 equals to B squared. Now raise both sides of the equation by 1/2 or by the square root. Now B is equal to the square root of 144 is 12. So B is equal to 12. Thank you.